Hey guys, I'm Noah, the sales manager here at Kia West. I love working for this dealership. As you can see, we take hand sanitization very seriously. Over here we have our last 2019 Kia Stinger GT Limited. Beautiful, it's a demo and we're ready to go. If you're in the market for Kia Soul, come on down guys. We have few demos that are available and the price are reduced. They're ready to go. As you guys can see, we care about our community, we care about our clients and everybody. Over here we have a beautiful table set up with hand sanitization, ready to go. We also have gloves out for you folks. When you're coming down, grab a gloves, hand sanitization is ready to go.
Why you touch everything, Noah? We got to do this disinfecting all the time, you know. Keep your hands off there.